Good morning, my gardening friends. This morning, I want to show you some things in my garden. I want to show you my jujube tree. It is way up, but for some reason the branch has bent, and maybe you can see the flowers up there. The flowers. This branch has so many flowers in there. There's so many flowers in this branch. So I know this works because I've had this tree for a long time. I know now that distressing the plant works, at least cause it to flower. I'm also going to show you how my guava, where is it? Guava. See this guava? How it has grown tremendously. I ate the other one 2 days ago. And here you can see my sugar apple is growing. There's another one right here. You can see it is growing. They're growing nicely. This cocoa tree in my bag here. This cocoa tree in my not a prune. I'm always mistaking it with prune. Is like almost 4 feet tall. It is growing very, very well. I also have a companion, not a companion, a hitchhiker in my sub tree. Pumpkin tree has grown in my sub container. But I want to show you my sub. It is the only one that has developed, and it too is growing. Maybe it will not get that big, but it will be getting ripe soon. The way it is looking, you can see it. I have this small one. I did 2 of them, but one fell. I pollinated 2 of them. One of them fell. Hopefully this one will not fall. I have problems keeping my subs on my tree, so I pray that one day. Oh, here's a little one growing just there. Since here, there's a little flower growing right here. I hope that one is kept also. Can you believe that is the black cocoa, the tanya tree in my apple tree? Can you believe these things were so tiny and they have grown so big, and they were grown from skins. God is so marvelous. God is so marvelous. They're grown from skins and they are so big. They were so tiny. It even had me wondering if Tanya sent seeds. But they were grown from skins and they're doing wonderful. The Lord is good. And I have my dashing here. But what I come to give you a close look at is the jujube flowers, because the branch up there is so high I cannot reach it. I also want to show you my papaya, the papaya tree in my lemon tree. I also want to show you the flowers. It's bearing. It's just about 4 feet tall and it's flowering. So my garden is doing well. I wish it would do better. I wish I would see more fruits growing there, but you can't be greedy, right? Yes. You too can plant your own garden. You too can grow your own fruits in your house. You can see that they're growing. They're healthy. They're growing well. I also have this hitchhiker. I'm calling them hitchhiker because I didn't plant them. They just grew there. Pepper tree in one of my kiwi plants. Right here, doing wonderful. The only problem I have is that tree I have up here. the plum tree that has grown over my garden and it's giving me a lot of shade, and I don't like that, so I'll have to get somebody to trim it for me. Okay, before I continue, I'll ask you to share this video. If you like what you see, share it, um share it, comment, and subscribe so that you could know when I put more content out. As spring goes on, I will put more content out so that you could see. Thank you for looking at my video. Thank you for watching.